Welcome to another episode of Delicious Life TV. Your host, Green Miguel, for this beautiful purple plum crazy Dodge Challenger. Check it out. Welcome to another episode of Delicious Life TV. Look what we have found while I'm doing this car spotting video. Look at this beautiful 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible with that famous plum crazy paint job. Talk about some serious restoration. This is all period correct. Let's dive in so we can check out the whole detail of this beautiful car. Look at that. Every single nuts and bolts are period correct. Even the headlights. Check out that engine, that famous 340. I think that's 340 or 440. I think it's 340. Even the old school battery. Look at that. Talk about some serious old school stuff. Period correct restoration. Look at that. Even Marilyn Monroe wrote on this. Anyways. Look at that beautiful car. Check out the beautiful glare of that shiny paint job. And that leatherette seats. Everything's built according to the original specification of the car. It has been done how it was. It came out from the factory back in the 70s. Every single nuts and bolts, even the tires. You have that old school rally style wheels with that classic BF Goodrich radial TA. Look at that. Every part of the car. Look at that beautiful purple paint job. Been done immaculately. So what do you think, guys? Comments down below. For all you people who loves this Dodge Challenger convertible, comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. So while you're at it, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. So what do you think, guys? I hope you guys enjoying this mini video that I brought you guys. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Once again, this is your host, Green Miguel, for another episode of Delicious Life